ruling from the Supreme Court today, issued as one of the 9 justices is released from the hospital. NBC News correspondent Pete Williams, our justice correspondent, has been watching it all. Pete, tell us about the decision first.
Well, this goes back to the Bridgegate controversy in 2013 when a couple of lanes of traffic from Fort Lee, New Jersey into Washington across the George Washington Bridge were shut down. It later turned out that two people were involved in this and were charged by federal prosecutors. One was an aide to Governor Christie. The other worked for the Port Authority, Bridget Kelly and Bill Baroni. They were charged with federal fraud. But today, the Supreme Court threw out their convictions. The Supreme Court, in a unanimous decision written by native New Yorker Elena Kagan, who's undoubtedly been on that bridge many times herself, said that the trouble was that the prosecutors used fraud statutes that can only be used when somebody actually gets property or money. Now, the federal prosecutors had said that these two commandeered the lanes and incurred the expenses of people who had to make sure that everything worked smoothly when this all happened, under the pretext that they were conducting a study of traffic. But the court today said, no, that was just incidental. You can't use these laws unless somebody actually took money or property. It was deceitful, it was wrong, it was bad behavior, but the Supreme Court said if federal prosecutors could go around using federal statutes to criminalize bad behavior, the courts would be very busy.
Hey there, I'm Chris Hayes from MSNBC. Thanks for watching MSNBC on YouTube. If you want to keep up to date with the videos we're putting out, you can click subscribe just below me or click over on this list to see lots of other great videos.